claims that I'm a bad man and have big guns angling. Warm to them, right, you know. Crime and violence, them get tangling.
The crime and the violence, we must get it out. A topic Jamaicans locally and internationally are all talking about.
What's out? Or start now, can't call no one brains. It's flashing out.
How long will it last? What are the solutions?
Sirens and police driving.
Have we identified and ignoring the problems? Questions like these are in the minds of nationals and tourists. So on August 4th, please don't ignore this. I implore this. Join the Jamaican Association of Rhode Island as we bring to you live Jamaica 60th Independence Diamond Jubilee panel discussion.
The crime and the violence, we must get it out.
And the panelists are PNP Senator Damian Crawford, Head of Women and Division Unit, University of the West Indies Open Campus, Taitu Heron, Educator, Businessman and Development Specialist, Orville McTaggart Sr., State Representative Democrat, Rhode Island, Marcia Ranglin Vassell, and Associate Professor and Chair of Africana Studies at the University of Oklahoma, Greg Graham. The Nation, Violence and the Family, Jamaica, 60 years after independence.
All of them have killer friends. None of them not win again. It's kill or be killed. No gunshot start sing again.
Don't miss this discussion taking place at 166 Valley Street, Building 6M Suite 103 in Providence, Rhode Island. Time 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. A link will be provided to watch on Zoom.
The crime and the violence, we must get it out.
Our moderator will be none other than Catherine John, Professor and Chair of Africana Studies, University of Rhode Island. Don't miss this. Tell them precisely.